Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Cynosure hair. I got today's package in this drawstring black bag, which is great for storage. I then saw the wig with goodies, and then there are also a few goodies in the wig bag itself. So I got a pair of HD wig caps. All right, I got some lashes. It's always so nice to get lashes. I got a brush, I got a Cynosure branded headband, and I also got some extra like bands, Invisistraps for the wig. Got lace tapes, information card, and it gives you directions on how to apply your wig, and just on information on information on the structure of the wig that we're working with. So this is how it looks. I'm so excited. Today's wig is a 220% density glueless 360 lace frontal wig with hidden elastic string, ready and go affordable snug fit wig. Okay, I know it's a lengthy title, but yes, that is what I have. The length of this is actually 26 inches long. Everything will be listed down below in terms of specifications, but those are the Invisistraps in the back. There's an elastic band on the inside. The lace is already so nicely bleached. Everything looks so nice and professionally done. These curls are fluffy, soft. The wig is very, very full. All right, and I love it. I showed you guys a closer look into the Invisistraps and how you can go ahead and adjust them. It's super easy, very, very to the point, and I just go ahead and slip it on. As I say, it's a glueless wig, so you don't have to go ahead and use no product to apply this. It's really up to you, but it's a lace front, so usually on the sides I take some spray or gel to just let it stick and lay flat, because at the end of the day you don't want it to be lifting, and I mean that's normal because that's just how it is. So I just go ahead and I just make sure that everything is laying properly on my hairline, and then I opted to cut away the excess around my ear so that it could fit well in that area. It's very, very straightforward, something that anybody can do. So I feel like all in all, today's installation and the wig is very much beginner friendly.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
So I went ahead and I cut away a little strip in the front where there's absolutely no hair. This part is casty, so doing this does eliminate or decrease the amount of castiness in the front. We don't want that, okay? So I just cut away that, and I got my got2b ultra glue for the sides here. That's what I used to really let the sides lay nice and flat, and then I proceeded to put in the hair in like a nice little bun, because I wanted to show you guys that yes, it is a 360, so make use of that. So I just went ahead and that is so cute. The bun, so fluffy. The hair is just like of great quality, guys. Love the hair. Like, they did their big one on this. Super fluffy, really nice. There is shedding, but it is very minimal, so make note of that. I forgot to show you guys, so literally once I apply the wig to my head, before I'm finish off the bun, the styling, this is how you adjust the Invisistrap. Super easy. You just hit the knob right there, and you see it slides along the string. So you literally just slide it upwards, and that's all. That's all to it. Easy peasy. You tuck the string beneath the cap, and you're good to go. That's all. And then this is how, see, it's glueless. Yeah. So you can go ahead and use any type of adhesive you want, but it's glueless. The Invisistraps are very discreet as well. You can't see them, as I showed you the back. And then now I moved on to showing you the hair in a different style. So I did a quick updo. Unfortunately, that part of the clip got damaged when I was kind of revamping the hairstyle, but it's very easy. You guys know, I just took down that bun, and I just split the hair in two parts, and I put the front up in this cute bun, and you cannot see through this hair. It is very full and nice. Like, talk about quality. Cynosure did it. Okay, it's so nice and soft, really, really nice and soft. So what I did after I kind of fluffed it and show you guys it in its very fluffy curly state, I did go in and I tamed it somewhere with some of my water, and you'll see that in a few. So I got my water here, just water, in my spray bottle, and that's all I apply because I really did want the hair to fluff, well, get back that volume after it dries. But I really just wanted to do this to show you guys the hair in its wet state and also redefine these curls. You see how pretty that is? Super nice. Absolutely love it. Yeah, there you have it, guys. Very easy, very to the point, very beginner friendly. Shout out to Cynosure Hair for today's gorgeous wig. It's very nice and discreet and convenient install. They know what they're doing. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box down below, so you can go ahead and check it out if you're interested in getting it for yourself. The specifications are also listed. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.